So over the weekend, a friend of mine sent me a viral video from Instagram, and it's this kind of video where you have luxury cars and luxury buildings, and there's a audio in the background which is sent to how the video is being transitioned. So he was asking me whether it can be automated with Python, and I said I can give it a try. So in this video, we are going to try and build that. Okay, so this is what we have so far. So we have the main file here. We are importing BitSyncer, so from this class. So we have the main class, which is having some helper function. We have the audio file, is video file, convert to video, convert, load video, detect bit drops, get media files, and sync with media directory. So as you can see here in the main directory here, if you check the test where we are testing, you can see that we are supplying a video, which is what we took from Instagram. So if you can see here, I have this Instagram file downloaded. So let's play it and see. So as you get it, this is exactly the type of video we want to create. So you have this video with a lot of beat drops, and then the audios are being cut. So you have the beat dropping, and we have videos being synced to the beat drop. So if you look through the car folders, I've downloaded some luxury pictures. We have some luxury videos over here as well. So we've supplied this here as well. So you can see the BitSyncer is having this function that we are calling. So we did the initialization here, then we call the load audio, then we do the bit drop detection, then we sync, we go through the directory. So this directory, the car directory, the one I just opened here, and then we detect and then sync the media files according to the bit drop. So let me go ahead here and show you. So this is the two main files, the two main functions. So we have the bit drop, and trust me, this was written by Claude AI. So Claude Sonnet using Windsurf. So my new editor is now Windsurf. I've stopped using Kesa for some time now, but I still have the subscription. Maybe I'll cancel. So if you look at this, it's using this library, LibRosa. I don't know how to pronounce the LibRosa, and then we are using MoviePy. So this one, LibRosa, is responsible for detecting the beat, and MoviePy library, Python library, is used for concatenating the videos together. So that's the main one of the main functions, and the other main function is this as well. So here we get all the media files, then we do some duration calculation, then we detect the beats here, then after that we move on to concatenating the videos together according to the beat drop. So let's give it a try. So let me run this code. Okay, so now we are converting from video to audio. So you can see it's audio. So immediately the script detects that we inputted video, it will go ahead and convert to audio. Then from there we are processing the audio. So you can see we are now saving the audio that we converted here. After that, we'll go on with the beat detection. So we detect the beat drop in the audio. So now the beat detection has started. Now we are detecting the beats. Okay, so we are done detecting the beat. So now we are going through the media directory. So that's the directory that we supplied here. We are now going through, then we'll shuffle and put all the videos and images together according to the drop, and we export it a final. Okay, so that was done. Now we are exporting the video. So as you can see, the video is being exported, and this is the final out file name. Almost done. So all right, so we have our final video. Let's load it here, then let's preview it. Let's play and see. Let me allow it to load a little bit. Okay, so okay, so I think it's quite good. Let me play it again. All right, guys. So I think we have something great. I think we can improve the sensitivity of the beat drop. So let's work on it. Let's try and adjust it to make sure that the beat and the audio are working. This one you can see there's a little bit aggressiveness, so we can increase the sensitivity. Let's work on that. All right, so we've added some few features, so you can see that now the beat drop accepts a parameter which is sensitivity, and it's set to medium, which is the default. And then we are now passing clips. So we have the clips folder now being the project folder, and then we have dark overlay. So you can change the overlay of the video to make it darker, to make it look cool. And then so if you come to the main class, if you check the beat drop function, you can see that now we are accepting the sensitivity, which is low, medium, and high. And then if you look here to see, I've added new tool class, so video scene splitter. So what I discovered is that most of the pages on Instagram, so all these pages doing this kind of videos, they use similar footages. So they have similar footages, but I guess that they are cut into smaller scenes. So you can just copy any of this links and come to this website and download it. So after downloading it, what you can do is that you can also build your clips bank. So you can download a lot of clips. So you can see that I have a lot of clips now, and all you do is to call this class. So I've added this new class here, which will help you build your own clips. So it's using this Python library called scene detector. So what it does is that when you supply a video clip, it will detect all the scenes and then save each scene as a new file, so that you get multiple of footages from all this type of video. So if you take one video, for instance, let's say if we take this video, you see it's having multiple scenes there. So it's going to just cut all the scenes and then save it into your project folder in the clip folder. And that's how it works. So you put the downloaded file here, and that's it. You run this clip, and then it will save all the scenes, the different scenes into this folder. And when you run your code, whenever you run this new code, you see that it will use those scenes from the video that it has been saved. So let's give it a try. Let me run this code. Okay, we are done converting audio as usual. Okay, we are loading the audio and we are now detecting the beats. So now we are using the sensitivity as medium. So you can see here set. So we were able to detect 38 bit drops using this medium sensitivity. And now we are putting the video files together by taking the new clip that we've splitted into this folder. Okay, everything is working. We are saving the audio now. No, that's the final video. This is not the audio. This is the final video. So with the dark overlay, you can control it how darker you want the video to look like between 1 to 0. So I'm setting it to the middle, which is 0.5. And then you can change the sensitivity if you want to detect more beats. And you can use this file to build your own footage. So you take any Instagram video or any video, and it will help you clip the videos into smaller ones that can be used by the main beat syncer. Okay, so we are done saving the file. Let me open it here. Let me see. Okay, well, look at it. Okay. Okay, so now you can see that it's better than the first one because we now have control over the sensitivity, which we are setting it here, and also we have more footages from different videos. So let's continue with the last improvement. Maybe we can write some inspirational text on it, and then that will be it. Lines of code, I will tonight.
syntax simmering in the light from modules deep in bite-sized brain.
Alright, so as you can see, we've added a little feature to it. So now you can add text overlay onto the video. So we have this list of sentences and then you pass it as a parameter here. So we've added these two new functions to take care of the text overlay. So we have the calculate text duration. So based on the length or the number of words, it will calculate the number of seconds the text will be on the video. And then we have the text wrap. So if the text is long, it will just wrap it to the next line. And then we are taking care of it down here. So we are adding the text overlay using so we look through the whole list, which is this list that we are passing, and then we stack it on the videos based on the duration that is being calculated over here. So that's how the output looks like. So now we have a video and then we have the text on the video. So you can see the set focus achieved. So something dream do it good. So now this is the final video that you can generate from this script. So let me see the pages, the Instagram account that you're able to do with this. Just try it. I'll put it on GitHub so you can just download it and build your own theme page and also make some cash on Instagram. So see you soon in my next video. So if you have not subscribed yet, you can check my other videos. I have more videos on generating videos. There's a quiz video and there's another video concerning how you can build your own SaaS application. So see you soon in my next video.